You're gonna be scared and you're gonna give them a fist bump and whack them in the face. Whack them in the face.
Guys, welcome to the video. I'm Brad, a not-so-single dad, and here on the channel I talk about family, fitness, and self-improvement. This is part 3 and the climax of my family vlog series that we started back in October. This has been a really cool experience for me. I really had to level up my editing game. These edits take me anywhere between 15 and 25 hours, and I'll definitely continue doing this. So on this particular video, we are finally taking you glamping with us to Carolina Pines RV Park and Resort, one of our favorite places to go. It was actually where Nikki and I took our very first family trip together with the kids. And you know, speaking of Nikki, we've had some big stuff go on lately. It was her birthday.
With me on our first real adventure to Hawaii.
But before that, we got engaged. And yeah, there's gonna be a major engagement video coming out. I'm gonna kick that one down the road just a little bit so I can get back to my normal content, because that'll be, you know, again, kind of vlog style. I'm gonna take you guys through the entire process. But for today, let's check out Carolina Pines. Well, as you guys can see, we've got a ton to cover. We ended up going with an upgraded cabin. It really wasn't that much more expensive. We got a lot more floor space out of it. This killer bathroom. We are so taking a shower. The bedroom's a little bit more spacious. There's more room for the dog to run around. All the cabins we've seen so far on our 3 trips here have this cool little upstairs bunk area that the kids just love. Living room's got plenty of space with a fold-out couch and a recliner. The kitchen is pretty much everything you need as long as you bring your own food.
Smush the bread with your nuts.
About halfway through our settling in, my future in-laws stopped by. The kids were super excited to see their grandparents, and of course, so was Ellie Mae. I got some protein in me, and then we headed to meet up with the rest of the family. Nikki's cousins, aunts, uncles, brother, they really make a big thing in Nikki's family about these camping trips. Several of them have their own RVs. It's just a great way for everyone to get out of town and enjoy being together. As it started to get dark, we went out exploring for a little while. The park has all kinds of cool facilities. There's of course a gym, water park, mini golf, cornhole, tennis or squash. There's also a cool arcade and mini bowling, which we'll definitely hit up tomorrow. Now, of course, we were coming during the Halloween holiday. We went a week before Halloween because that's when everyone else was going and we'd have the kids. After hanging out for a little while and letting the kids get acclimated, we decided to go on a little bit of an adventure and hunt down the Hearse. Now, during the Halloween weekends, there's a couple guys who will drive around in a Hearse. They'll jump out, rev their chainsaws, and chase the kids all over the place. Everybody has a blast doing this. Crowds end up following the Hearse around. Now, Cleo, Nikki's youngest daughter, is absolutely fearless, while Tootie and Marley were a little bit more apprehensive. After all the excitement, the kids were pushed, so we went back to the house to get a good night's rest. The next day, as usual, I got up at about 5:30 in the morning, had my coffee, and took the drone outside to get some shots. As far as I know, you're not supposed to pilot drones here. Carolina Pines, don't blacklist my family, all right? And then it was time to get ready to go to the gym. So 2 quick things about getting around at a campground like this. There's all these little trips you've got to take, or run back across the campground to grab something from the cabin, get a bite to eat, pick up mixers, whatever. So so having a golf cart just made it really easy. Now for me personally, I really enjoyed riding the OneWheel around. These early morning rides are really fun. It's a great way to kind of focus your mind, particularly heading into a workout. It's just a blast.
Good workout? Workout, man. I enjoyed that.
Came back, Nikki had a killer breakfast prepared. I wanted to give Nikki a little bit of a break, so I grabbed the kids up, took them over to the playground. We wanted to go and utilize some more of the facilities that we hadn't gotten a chance to in previous trips. Right about the time we were running out of tokens, Nikki's parents arrived and we were all set for one of my favorite parts of the whole trip, which was our mini bowling session.
Oh yeah? Let's see it. Let's go, man. Yeah, bowling joke. Nailed it. Strike out that time.
We had a total blast doing this. This is the whole reason that we like going on these trips. It's just to have fun and to be doing things with our kids.
Nice job, sis! Pretty good?
Because it didn't require any actual...
Look at that college education right there. Right here, and roll it. Wait for it. All right, go. Ooh, ooh. Good job.
When we wrapped at mini bowling, it was time to go back and for everybody to throw their costumes on and get ready to roll.
Cleo be scary. Real scary, Cleo. Good job.
So we hopped back on the golf cart, went and met up with the rest of the family. I'd seen this neat 360 camera shot done a few times. It didn't come out as well as I would have liked it to, but hey, filmmaking is a process. With every video I make, I'm always trying new stuff, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. After we were all done with that, we headed over to the costume contest. Now Nikki went all out this year. She was this Salem witch that had returned from the undead. She had backstory, she had makeup, masks, the whole 9 yards. The kids love going trick-or-treating here, collecting candy, checking out the cool RVs.
What's the best piece of candy you got, Mars? Candy you got?
Lollipop.
Okay, good answer.
This is the best.
Your gift card? How'd you get that?
For being spooky scary.
For being spooky scary. Excellent. How much?
$50.
Joseph, what's been your favorite thing on this trip?
I think that I'm gonna give the Hearse the first card.
Marley, favorite part of the trip?
The Hearse.
The Hearse. Cleo, favorite part of the trip?
That they're gonna go in the car and chase those people.
That they're gonna chase those people?
And they're gonna be scared and they're gonna give them a fist bump and walk them in the face.
Yeah! Nikki, favorite part of the trip?
The Hearse is always the best.
Mine's probably the chicken for dinner. It's okay. Oh, she wants the fist bump. You want to go give him a fist bump? Okay.
So we made sure that happened. Guys, I couldn't recommend Carolina Pines more if you want to go somewhere cool to spend good quality time with your family, particularly around Halloween. It's a great place to spend some time outside with your family, and you know, if you're not into like camping in a tent or don't want to stay in an RV the entire time, you can definitely get one of these cool cabins. We really enjoy this, and we're going to continue going back. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. As always, I'm Brad, a not so single dad, and I totally appreciate you making it this far in the video. Throw me a like for the killer B-roll, and I hope you guys continue leveling up and improving yourselves, taking the dates when you can, spending quality time with your family, and make sure you check out these videos as well.